a white paper and draw the shapes which you want to keep in the candle. So I have taken like a Christmas tree here, a house, and I'll be drawing a snowflake using the masking tape. Once it's drawn and the cutout is ready, we can paste that cutout on the glass bottle. And later, using a color spray bottle, you can spray and paint your bottle. Once you are done with the spray, you need to keep the bottle to dry, and only after it is dry, we can start decorating it. To decorate it, you will require some laces and some, say, colorful glittery paper so that you can make small pieces of decoration and paste it on the glass top. For the second craft, we require small LED candles and a black chart paper and some glittery sheet. So what I will do here is that I'll cut out a small hat shaped black paper, and then I'm going to paste it on top of the LED light and then make the little eyes and the face of the snowman. You can also add a small bow to make it a beautiful snowman. And also for the second one, I wanted to make it something very trendy, so I tried to make a winter headphone to cover the ears for the snowman. So I've used here a red and a green glitter sheet to make that. For our third craft will require cinnamon sticks, a short glass and some ribbon. So we are just going to paste the cinnamon on the sides of the glass and then tie a beautiful ribbon around it. You can place then a candle inside that glass and light it, and it's going to give you a very beautiful glow. Fourth craft is the most simple craft, because for this we just require a paper wherein you will draw the outline of a Christmas theme. Like I have drawn a reindeer, a rabbit, Christmas tree and a hut, and then I'm going to cut it out and then use it as a candle cover for the decoration. Our fifth decoration is very important if you want to do a very quick decoration in a short time. So for this you require glasses which is easily available at your home, and then use the decorative cutouts to decorate it. So for here I have taken glitter sheet cutout, some rose flower and candle, and then I have decorated these three glasses differently. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please share my video if you liked it. Thank you.